Hello everyone. We are going to do an unboxing today. Cat was wanting to be in the video. Alright. So, made to rock hard. Well, you can see what it is there. It was double boxed and there's no, I don't believe there's any tape on the, nope. No tape on it. I haven't seen it yet, believe it or not. So yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just got some stickers in there. Yeah. Interesting, different swag. Should I do the joke everyone else does? Keep these away from bass players. It's not candy. It's like candy. Silica. So, if anyone knows, does the silica keep moisture away? Or, that wouldn't be good. It would dry. I don't know. Maybe keeps moisture in? If anyone knows, let me know. It's high quality. That's the best quality rubber band I've seen yet. Name brand guitar, extremely rare for me, extremely rare. I'm on a single pickup guitar kick. Oh yeah, it's the purple one. This is kind of dangerous. It's kind of dangerous. Alright, let's get the crooked headstock out of the, oh man, that's one nifty hockey stick. Oh, I dinged it. Couldn't even make it a few minutes without hitting it on something. Oh,
raise.
Commercial.
It's our way of life. Raise stronger people, stronger crops, with pure acre-for-acre know-how and next-gen genetics. We are born.
Oh, she does. She is a little fret sprouty. Frets seem really well done, though. So why is everybody saying the frets are good on these? The rounded end ones. Wow, that looks really way better. Looks a lot pinker. Looks a lot hotter on the TV. Can't get enough of these devils. Love the way a single pickup guitar sounds. But I have been playing with the Strat version with the pick guard, and I'm thinking a lot of what maybe creates the nifty sound is the hollow void underneath the pick guard on the Strats. This one does not have that, so we'll see if it still sounds nifty. Oh, nice. Some resistance to the quality feel to the knob there. Yeah. So to the eye in person, it looks like the color the Amazon. That's what it looks like. But you stick it on like my computer monitor, it makes it look way pinker. It's pretty snaz. Kramer Baretta Special. Non-locking tuners, but they got the little stabilizing screw on them. I like that a little better. Made in Indonesia. 21. So girl's been around since 21 if the first number is the year, which a lot of them it is. And a lot of people. Ooh, action's nice. Lots of room to bring it down if you want to dial her in a little more. Set up pretty good though. Yep. Set up pretty good. And it is a little, I think it's a little sprouty. This one is. A lot of people when they unbox them. I'm going to say the nut's cut low enough. I was concerned about that. You get your professional guitar players might want that a little bit lower, but it's less than a 32nd probably. It's not bad. Not bad as far as the distance from the first fret, the string height coming off of the nut. Good old plastic nut. I don't know, it seems like kind of a, you know, almost, I guess it's plastic. It feels really slick though, like the strings would slide in it good. That's one of the big complaints about this is the cheap plastic nut. It's an interesting material though. Really hard and really slick feeling. I'll be interested to see. Good old traditional Fender Strat whammy, zebra pickup. I kind of like how this is the only one, they make the plate thinner, which makes sense to me because I just recently built a parts caster, and when these are full size, there's not a whole lot of room, you know, when this screw comes through here to the edge of the neck. I mean, you pre-drill it, probably not a huge deal, but easy to screw up. It's kind of a good idea to narrow this plate, I think, the way Kramer does. So you're getting into the neck a good 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch from the edge with this narrower plate, which full-size plate, it's maybe an 1/8, not even. So there's a little innovation from this company I have yet to have seen. Full width body. Yeah, that's just. And I'm a bridge pickup playing fool, so these are kind of the thing I'm into right now. Possibly intonated. somewhat standard pattern. Yeah, that'll be for, we'll do a little sound check video. Looks pretty nice. Action looks pretty nice. Fretboard looks really nice. Lots of room to the edge of the, you know, from the string to the edge of the frets. Lots of room. Bend, even bend it. Oh, you can still, it's still foot. They all foot past, even when there's lots of room. If you try to bend it up, don't they? I just usually pull down on that string anyway. Nice. Yeah. Not a whole lot to say about it. It's as simple as it gets. Yeah. That's all for now. Thank you for listening. And later.